Uno, dos, tres, ya. ¡Uy! ¡Ah, le caducó el chorro!
Would you like to go? Ooh, that ear. Oh.
No bite.
Go to your kennel. Hey!
He just wants the kisses.